with you for infinity.
Good morning, everyone. I am just waking up. I'm gonna go to the beach with my friend Jasmine, and I have to clean my house, my room, and all that fun stuff before I do that. It is currently 9 a.m. I'm so tired. I went to sleep very late last night, so we're just gonna get up and get ready for the day. My room is a mess. I share a room with my brother, so it's definitely gross. I have to clean my room. I'm gonna clean my closet, and then I gotta clean my bathroom. So I opened up my window and it brings up so much more light. But my favorite part about having my window where it is, my dog's house is right there. And look at this little cutie just sitting there. Isn't he the cutest? I have another one, but he's like hiding. Okay, where did my brother get all this bubble wrap from? What the? Under his bed? Okay guys, I pretty much finished cleaning the room. I have to go wake up my brother. He's still asleep. It's like 11 in the afternoon. I have to finish cleaning, and the only way I'm gonna finish cleaning is if they wake up and they help me. Javi, you gotta wake up. I need you to help me clean today. You gotta wake up. Today. Alright guys, so I know I look crazy. This is a look. I just got out of the shower. I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna start with my hair. I like to start with my hair because my hair is not, I like to do its natural form. My hair is naturally very, very curly. Well, not super curly like it used to be, but I like to brush it out. I know a lot of people say you shouldn't brush out your hair when it's wet. You shouldn't brush out your hair when it's wet because it just like falls off even more and all that jazz. But for me, I brush it maybe in the morning when it's dry. Not too much, like I don't comb it, like I kind of like brush it like out the knots a little bit. I'm using this Garnier Sleek and Shine. Thank you. I use this, I've been using this for like since like junior high. It just kind of helps smooth out my hair and kind of give it shinier, kind of softer look before I brush it out, so it kind of brushes out the tangles a little bit easier. So a lot of hair does fall out just because my hair just likes to be thin. So the magic to the curls, my favorite thing to use, that I started using this Miss Jessie's multicultural curls. This stuff is amazing for people who have curly hair. I put on a lot because I want my hair to stay curly. So the way I do it is I just put a lot, like that much, and put it all over my hands, and I just go for it. This was a style back, this was like the style back in like junior high and high school. Like if you didn't do your hair like this, I did my hair like this all the time when I didn't want to wake up early to straighten my hair. I usually don't like to blow dry it. I know a lot of people like to use a diffuser to blow dry it to bring the curls out. I let it air dry because I feel like if I blow dry it, it's just putting more heat on my hair, which I don't want to do. But if I don't want my hair super wet and it's cold or it's raining and I don't want to get sick, I will blow dry it. But right now, because it's summertime, this is fine. So that's pretty much it for my hair. I don't do a lot for it. So first thing I'm going to start with is just lotion. I like to put lotion on my face. I already put on sunscreen, SPF, on my face. Not too much, just like a little dab, because just so I don't get burned and because I don't want it to go bad. So right now I'm just using a Cetaphil lotion, just a regular lotion you can get at CVS. Honestly, I'm more, when it comes to the summertime, I'm very dry, and when it comes to the, what do you call it, the cold season, I'm oily. It's like opposite. I don't know why. I always like to have a little makeup wipe on the side here just to clean my hands. Then after that, I like to use this oil that I got it on my BoxyCharm I think 2 months ago, and I've been loving it. It just helps with your dewy skin, just adding more redness to my skin. Why not? For primer, I'm going to use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Primer. I've never used this. It's brand new. It's cracked. I've been told it's like a really good primer. So why not test out a new primer on camera? Oh, it smells good. It smells good. Actually, I don't know if that was my lotion. Whatever is on my hand, it smells really good. So next, I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus and the cucumber and just kind of spray it on my face. Oh god. Huh. Oh! See, I had cucumbers yesterday, so it's like bringing back the taste. Okay, usually I would start with my eyes, but I'm going to the beach, so I'm just gonna do like very simple eye look, not anything too drastic. So I'm going to just put on foundation, and I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm in the color light beige, and I usually take a beauty blender, but I just got this brush from BH Cosmetics, the number 3 brush. It's a like very fluffy brush, and I like it for my foundation. It goes on really smoothly, no streaks, and but I'm gonna go over it with my beauty blender, so I'm just gonna take that. My neck here tends to be, if you can see, like this part is white, and then this part is like darker, and right here too, and then right here is white. My neck tends to be a million different colors, and then when I get tan, this part right here never gets tan. It just stays white. What is that? What the? Looks like a bruise. It hurts. Okay, so next I'm going to take the NYX Dark Circle color corrector concealer little thing, and I'm just going to put it on my under eyes because I do have a lot of dark circles in my under eyes because I never sleep. I almost forgot, I like to put on a bit of chapstick before I go on with powder and all that. My lips get very dry. I like to moisturize them before I do anything. For concealer, I'm going to take the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer in light 50W, and I'm going to combine it with my NARS creamy concealer in the color Custard. Take the Pretty Fresh one. It's like kind of the same color of my skin tone, but I don't care. And I crease a lot under my eye, like nothing can prevent that, honestly. Like no matter how much you're like, oh, just pat under your eye before you put on powder, doesn't work. I still crease. So, and I just like to take it on my eye because that's what I use for like my primer for my eyelid too. Then I'm going to take my NARS and put it, I'm almost out of it. I'm just getting every last bit of it. I know a lot of people, I've seen some people like, you know, they put it up here to lift the eye. I don't give a fuck about lifting my eye. I just want to cover up my dark circles because I don't want people to know that I stay up at night. Just going to take my NARS concealer and just put it on my forehead, on my chin, and around my nose. So that's where I tend to get more redness. I'm going to take my Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter powder to set under my eyes, and it's translucent. And I kind of like to kind of set it on my table because I like to be messy, and just kind of clean under my eye, and then just set that. I'm using my Morphe sponge. I don't like to bake really because again I'm trying to not do such a matte look. Okay, so then I'm going to take my e.l.f. powder brush. It's just a big fluffy brush, and just take a little bit of powder and just kind of just take this flat brush and just kind of set the concealer that's on my eyelids because they're already starting to crease, and just set it with that powder. Sorry if I make ugly faces. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus one more time and just spray it on my face. Just to set that face in, just so I don't look too matte. Next thing I'm going to do is my brows. This process kind of takes me a little bit because my brows are very uneven, and I tried to make them look as best as possible. So I'm going to take my Anastasia brow duo brush, I guess, and I'm going to take my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I'm just going to do my brows. Okay, I'll come back when I'm done with my brows. Okay, back with my brows. It's as good as they're gonna get. So then I'm going to take my Trizique Conceal and Correct crayon. I'm just going to put it under my eyes, and I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics flat brush number 10. Just going to Then I'm going to take my Anastasia clear brow gel. The name is like gone and I'm almost out of this, so gotta get a new one. I'm just going to do my brows right there. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just bronze my face. I don't like to contour when it comes to a natural look. I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one. And I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush number 2. I'm just going to put some bronzer on my face. Not too much. Just because I just want it to look natural. I'm going to take this Lovecraft Beauty blush. It's just a kind of very nude. I'm going to take my e.l.f. powder brush. It's like a pointed powder brush. I'm like using this for blush, and just put that on my cheeks. And I just blend it with my powder. So here, and put it on my nose a bit. Recently, I just switched over to this Nude Mood palette. It is my favorite palette. It is so simple, so natural, so everything. It's all the shadows I could ever need in my life. So I'm just going to take my e.l.f. fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the color Au Naturel, this one right here, and I'm not doing anything specific, just going to put that all over my eye. Okay, then I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics number 6, More Define, and I'm going to take E-Color Moody, just a little bit, and I'm going to put that in my outer crease just to kind of define it a little bit more. Blend that in, kind of blend it towards the inner portion of my eyes. It don't matter where we go tonight, 'cause if I'm with you, I'll be alright. That's cool, but I'm looking for more. It's your love that my heart beats for. I'm going to just take this random brush, and I'm going to take Bare to Wear. The names, I don't know. I'm gonna use that just to blend out all of this here together, because I don't want it to be anything too harsh. Baby, all I want is you, yeah. And then I'm just gonna take this Jaclyn Hill JH39 pencil brush, and I'm going to take Au Naturel, and I'm going to blend it on my under eye. And then next I'm going to take another pencil brush. It's a little bit thicker from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take Moody. I'm going to take it just on the outer portion of my eye, just like that. This fluffy brush by Jaclyn Hill again, just a JH40, and I'm going to take Bare to Wear and just blend everything together. I'm going to take my Urban Decay 24-hour Glide On pencil and Perversion, and I'm going to tightline my upper lash line. And just this is critical. Like, I needed my mirror close, so I like to put my mirror kind of slanted and look down on it and just tends to drip down on my lower lash line, so I'm just going to fix that. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild highlighter in the color Golden Flower Crown. Just take this Real Techniques brush and just kind of put a little bit of highlight there. Just a little bit, just so it looks kind of natural. It don't matter that your car is fly and your rims are spinning on the side. I'm gonna take this little brush by JH42, and I'm gonna take that highlighter and put a little bit on my nose. I don't like to put too much highlight on my nose because my nose gets really oily. And then a little bit in my inner tear duct. My Milani Luminoso blush. Take the same brush and just put a little bit more blush there. I'm going to take my favorite mascara of all time, the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I've been using L'Oreal mascaras since the dawn of time. I think since like junior high. Favorite mascara ever. And just put it on here. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Alright, that's better. So I take it from the root to the tip. I like to focus on the outer parts of my lashes. Don't put too much. And to the other lash. I don't wear any fake eyelashes just because, one, I don't know how to put on fake lashes on, and my lashes are way too long to hold on to them. So mascara it is. I've always wanted to try fake eyelashes, but everyone's like, oh, like your eyelashes are fine, like you don't need no fake eyelashes. And it's just like, but they're all like these ones go that way, and then these ones are all crooked, like they're all like this. So I mean, I guess they're okay. Next, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. And I like to use this one on my bottom lashes. It's more tinier. So I'm just going to take that just a little bit, not too much. That's fine. After that, I like to take these little tweezers. I like to just kind of make sure they're all aligned. Some of them are never really perfectly aligned, but it's okay. So I'm just going to take my makeup wipe and take off that chapstick, any foundation that might have gone on it. And to take my KKW lip liner in nude, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to take my Tarte Sugar lip gloss. It's my favorite lip gloss. I am a lip gloss person. It's always lip gloss for me. I can't do anything else. And it smells so good. It smells like Sour Patch Kids. Just like that. Okay, just like that. Just the powder that's left over here, I'm going to just take it on my smile lines because they're starting to crease up. My smile lines always crease up, like no matter what, but powder helps them a bit. Like that. To set it all in place, I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous setting spray. I'm just going to this is like heaven. Now I'm just going to clean up this section, finish getting ready. I added some hoop earrings because it's not a look without hoop earrings. This is how my hair turned out. Not as curly as it used to be. The ends go straight, but I like my hair. So right now I'm just going to go say bye to my brothers. I have all my stuff, my backpack. Yeah, so I'm gonna go say bye to my brothers and then I'll see you guys at my car. Okay guys, so I just got in my car. I still yet don't know how to mount my tripod to my car so that I don't have to hold it. Right now I'm just holding my tripod and my camera. I'm trying not to look like a dummy. I'm gonna pass by the next town and get gas. So right now it is about 85 degrees here in Lompoc, so it's really hot. Can't imagine how Santa Barbara is. The weather lately, it's been really windy, so I hope it doesn't get windy when I'm at the beach because I'm not having that. So but yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit when I get to the next stop, and hopefully I can mount the tripod better. If not, well, I guess I'll just see you guys in SB. Okay, gonna call Jasmine.
Hi, see you. I'm coming.
Hurry up!
Okay, I'm gonna fill up my water bottle.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
So weird.
Right now.
Yes, I do.
You ever heard that TikTok?
No.
It goes, where are you going? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon.
One more time?
No. Where you got from? Where do you get all the girls? Where you from?
Jersey Shore.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like we've been walking for hours.
Gotta do your cardio and to get
You're so tan, I hate you.
not bad tan.
You are though. Look at your freaking arms. Those are cute little doggies. Look at the white one. Oh, so cute.
Oh, they're like twins.
It's like Baywatch.
Aww. Oh no, I look ugly.
I got you, girl. There you go.
Oh, I don't.
I got my hair up too. Big black dog. It's so adorable. I want one. Someone's in their feels. I swear I don't deal with this every day. Yeah, I do actually, every fucking day. Sing, bitch, sing!
I don't know all the lyrics.
What are you searching for again?
I think I have it. Pay attention, motherfucker.
I am, but this is more entertaining.
I think I forgot. I swear I put it in here.
Her own fucking straw. There it is.
Yes. I hate paper straws.
Oh Lord. You are an embarrassment. What a pretty view. And we got Jack in the Box.
I'm excited to eat. Oh look, a bike gang.
Are you excited to eat? Oh my god, the sun is like hitting my face.
There's a bike gang.
There is.
Any of them too. It doesn't look like that.
I can't see anything. It's okay. I saw that side eye.
So you only record when I'm the only one eating.
Mm-hmm. Do a side
I
eye.
feel like they're staring at me.
They are, probably are, but it's okay.
Oh, look the camera down.
I'm gonna take a picture of this. This is beautiful.
Here you go. You're recording.
Okay guys, so I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Sorry for the lighting. The sun is setting back that way and it just looks weird. Oh, that's a little better. So I just dropped off Jasmine and I'm on my way to go see my mom before I go home. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Ow! Words are hard today. See the faces that we make? It's just like...
I can fuck with you for